What's up, online shoppers? Have you ever had to move something really heavy and then just cried thinking about the fact that it was going to be the hardest thing you ever did? Well, I was gifted this absolutely awesome, handy little hand truck that does 3 different positions and is super convenient and easy to use. And the best part about it is, look at how small it folds up. Like, I can tuck this in the corner of my garage. I can even keep this in my car and it's not taking up a lot of space. And it is built to last. This little hand cart can handle 600 pounds of stuff. Now that is definitely something that I can use around my house to move heavy objects, and I love the convenience of how small it is. Now, one of the coolest things about this is its convertible design. So you can see at the back here it has 6 wheels, which are nice. These ones here will rotate and move as you need them. And at the back of the cart, which is here, actually also has a locking pedal right here so that you can lock your cart into position if you don't want it to roll somewhere. Now to show you what it looks like converted. First of all, let's start with the 2-wheel hand truck. So we're going to fold this up like this and we're going to lift it up. There is a little spring-loaded button right here, and as soon as I do that, it is going to extend like this. Now I have a beautiful, very easy to maneuver 2-wheel hand truck. Really nice and easy. It's pretty sturdy when you stand it up straight. These wheels don't get in the way while you are moving things. It's just really nice and movable, and I absolutely love it. Now, if I don't want to use it like this and I want to take advantage of these wheels, I can actually do a couple things with it. I have 2 more options. So I'm going to push the button and shrink that back in there, and I'm going to move up this handle. Now this handle is slightly smaller and it also has the spring-loaded button right here. Now when I depress that button, I now have another handle and I've got 6 wheels on the ground. This also moves really nice. You can see that I can go in circles with it, back and forward, and because this isn't fixed in place, it's definitely pretty easy to move around with it. You see that the wheels also turn nice and easy, and this is uneven ground and it moves pretty awesome. Now, if I want a fixed 6-wheel cart, all I have to do is stand this upright, slide down this little nylon brace, and now my handle stays sturdy. So if I need to lock something to this or strap something to this, I've got other options that I can use. Now, as far as assembly goes on this, it took me about 10 minutes to assemble, and the only assembly required was actually adding on the 6 wheels. They give you all of the hardware provided. They have the most beautiful instruction sheet I've ever seen. Full color illustrated, sentences that make sense, and it shows every single step so that you can actually follow along and assemble this nice and easy. KEDSUM's sturdy little hand cart was gifted to me by the brand, and I absolutely love it. It is definitely a versatile tool that can help you do all kinds of things around the house, from moving furniture inside your house to moving heavier things outside. I love it for moving around the propane tanks when I'm changing them in the barbecue and out at the fire pit. It's super convenient, and these really nice 2-wheeler supports here mean that I can actually use bungee cords to strap things to them and make it more secure when I'm transporting. If you were looking for something that is going to be versatile, sturdy, have up to 600-pound capacity, easily transforms from one different application to another and stored super tiny, this folding hand cart from KEDSUM is absolutely awesome, and it's a family favorite at my house.